Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations under linear equation. What are the steps? Step number 1, express y in terms of x or x in terms of y, whichever is easy for you. Find points on the line which can be easily represented on the graph paper. Generally, we try not to take points in decimals, and if we have to take in decimal, we have to take 1.5, 2.5, not 1.1, 2.3, 4.75. It is not easy to plot such points on graph paper. Next, express lines and solution graphically. Now we take an example to solve the two lines x plus 2y equals 3 and 4x plus 3y equals 2. First equation is x plus 2y equals 3. We take 2y this side. This becomes 3 minus 2y. For y equal to 0, x is 3 minus 0, 0. Point becomes x3, y0. For y equals to 1, x is 3 minus 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1. X is 1, y is 1. For y equals to 2, x is 3 minus 2 twos are 4. Point becomes minus 1, 2. Now second line, 4x plus 3y equals to 2. 4x equals 2 minus 3y. X equals 2 minus 3y over 4. Here we have to keep in mind, we get the numerator which is divisible by 4 or which is at least even number. If we put y is equal to minus 2, the numerator becomes 2 plus 6. 8 upon 4 is 2. Point becomes 2 and minus 1. For y equals to 2, x becomes 2 minus 3 twos are 6. Minus 4 over 4 minus 1. Point is minus 1, 2. For y equals to 6, x becomes 2 minus 3 6 are 18 over 4. Minus 16 over 4 minus 4. Point is minus 4, 6. These points we tabulate. The table for first line is 3 0 1 1 minus 1 2. Table for the second line is 2 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 4 6. Now we are representing the two lines graphically. You can see the first line is x plus 2y having the point x minus 3 y3, x minus 1 y2, x1 y1 and x3 y0. Second line is having x minus 4 y6, x minus 1 y2 and x2 y minus 2. These two lines are intersecting lines. They are intersecting at the common point minus 1 and 2. So this common point minus 1 and 2 is the solution, and we write the solution x minus 1 and y2. If in case we don't get the common point, we have to solve it using either substitution method, elimination method, or both, whatever is convenient for you. If you get the common point easily, then we straight away write down the solution. But if you do not get the common point easily, then you have to use substitution or elimination method of solving them and getting this point and equating and graphically showing this point as solution of the two lines. We are taking one more example. That second example is solving graphically 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. Now this time we have to shade the region bounded by these lines and x-axis. Now let us see. The first thing is we convert y in terms of x. You can do x in terms of y, whichever is convenient for you. How do we do? First take 11 this side, then take 3x this side, sign will change, and divide it by 2, you get the value of y. Put x is equal to minus 1 here, you get y is 7. X is equal to 1, y is 4. X is equal to 3, y is 1. We make a table of this line. Now we take that second line, 2x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Convert y in terms of x. Y is equal to 2x plus 10 over 3. You can see 2y, this is 3y. 3y we take other side, 2x plus 10 divided by 3. Y is 2x plus 10 over 3. Take 3 points, convenient points, so that we get answer in whole numbers or integers, not in decimals, as far as possible. And if in decimals, then you have to take not 1.12, 2.35, exactly like 1.5 or 2.5. So for x is minus 2, we get the point 2. For x is equal to 1, we get 4. For x is equal to 4, we get 6. Tabulate it, and now we represent it graphically. You can see the first line is A, minus 1, 7, B, 1, 4, C, 3, 1. Second line has 3 points, P, minus 2, 2, Q, B, of course, B and Q are same, of course. B is 1, 4. Since we have taken B over here, so we are taking Q here. Q is 4, 6. The names is up to you how you write it. Now we know that these are again intersecting at a point 1, 4. The solution of the line is x is 1, y is 4. Now it is said you have to shade this region, triangular region. Using pencil you can shade. You can see how neatly I have shaded. You have to do it same way in your answer book. If it is asked to write the vertices of the triangle, you can write down vertices are 1, 4. Here you can see the point is not clear, but it is almost 4, 0. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 0. So we can write down vertices of this triangle also. If we want to find out area can be found out. The base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Approximately 9 centimeters. Height is 1, 2, 3, 4. Area of triangle is half base into height. Half 9 into 4. Half of 9 4s are 36. That is approximately 18 square centimeters will be the area of the triangle. So whatever extra thing is asked in the question, you can do that also we have given you sufficient idea. On the basis of this, you can do graphical questions. According to me, this graph questions should have been given in NCERT at the end, because this graph equation requires a lot of skill to solve, and the first exercise in NCERT is given of graph, but I prefer to first teach substitution, elimination, every detail, and then proceed for graph, because then the students are able to understand it well. I request you to solve the exercise for practice given in PDF format and also in NCERT. Now you will find it easy to solve them. Stay home, stay safe, keep on practicing, and keep on studying. Thank you very much.